Hi.
How are you?
Huh?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Canada. Where are you
Canada.
from?
Wow. I am from Bangladesh.
Oh.
Yeah. Who is
Wait,
she
is
beside you?
daytime over there?
Who is she beside you?
Oh, that's.
Come, come, come. Hi.
Come.
What's your name? Your name. Black, black, black. Yeah, yeah, black.
Mia.
Mia. Wow, nice to meet you too.
Mia.
Nice to meet you.
Sorry?
And red? You? Your name?
Me?
Yeah.
Kim.
Kim. Oh, nice to meet you, Kim.
Mm-hmm.
You are both so beautiful.
We look good. Oh, thank you.
Welcome, welcome. Wow, you have so nice hair. Go little back and show me dance. Oh, nice, nice.
Send me some money.
Kim, are you dancer?
Hi.
Are you dancer?
What'd you say, baby?
Are you dancer?
Me?
Dance.
No, I'm not a dancer, but I know how to move my shit.
Mia, you are married?
Yeah, Mia, you're married? Me?
Yeah, yeah.
Sí, que tú.
And you? Kim?
No.
Kim?
No married at all. No married.
Okay,
Who
okay.
played them songs?
You have boyfriend?
No.
No? And Kim?
He doesn't have a boyfriend. We single.
Oh, both
We don't have
single.
boyfriends.
You are both single.
Sí. Yes,
Ah,
both single.
okay. So why? Can you explain me that why you don't have any boyfriend?
Explain to you why I don't have a boyfriend?
Yeah. Why you don't have any boyfriend?
Because I
You don't like boyfriend?
no.
Oh, so sad, so sad.
Everyone here is in the chat. Say men are waste.
Okay. So
Men are waste.
I wanna talk with Kim.
You like her?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Come. I wanna talk with her. I wanna talk with her.
Yeah.
Okay. You looking so beautiful with these glasses. Hello, Kim.
Kim?
Yeah, Kim.
Yeah, her?
Yeah, Kim. Kim, come.
No.
Yeah. Where do you live in Canada? Where? Boy, who is that guy? Who is that guy?